The National Geoscience Data Repository, or NGDR, conceptualized by the Ministry of Mines as part of the National Mineral Exploration Policy 2016, is a flagship initiative aimed at revolutionizing how we access and utilize exploration related geoscientific data.
Welcome to the National Geoscience Data Repository, where advancement and efficiency meet seamless service delivery. Let's walk through how the platform works. Visit the geodataindia.gov.in URL and click on the sign up link. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin the sign up process. Input all the necessary fields to complete your registration and create user profile. Make sure to provide accurate information to expedite the validation process. From basic details to contact information, every field plays a crucial role in creating your NGDR account. After you have submitted your registration details, the information will be validated and authenticated by the respective administrator. Once your details have been verified, your user credentials will be shared through the email address that you provided during registration. Keep an eye on your inbox for an email from NGDR containing your login credentials and instructions on how to get started. Discover the wealth of information available through the NGDR portal and learn about its diverse data products by enrolling in our comprehensive online course. Visit training.gsiti.gsi.gov.in to get started and master the art of data downloading.